range, yeah.
Right like that?
Okay, yeah. No, make sure.
Like that?
Dude, if you're gonna be on YouTube though, I need you to roll it.
Sorry, I can make it up that.
Yeah, come on. You're good. Just keep. Let's go a little bit to the right, and then just turn back to the left. It's a little hard. The visibility's a little hard, huh? You're good though. Keep going.
This way's good.
Yep.
Going.
Here, back up. Back up a little bit. Turn it. Yeah, turn it like that. Now turn a little more, yeah. There you go.
Good?
Yep, you're good. Nice. You're good to go. Let's come down this right here. Yeah, just come off, like right there. Turn this way. Okay, you'll see this crack right there. Just kind of stay in between. You need to come, like right here.
Good?
You're good. Just let her go down her. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's just a little hard to see out of the RC. It's not that it's not capable, it's just tough to see your lines.
So fucking bad.
I'll spot for you. Okay, hold up. Let's find your line here. You're probably gonna want to hit like right there. I'm thinking, just so you don't get tippy. I'll watch it. You're probably gonna need to back up and take a better line.
Okay.
Try to get a little higher on it. I can watch you. You're good. Go for it.
Good?
Yeah. Keep going. You got her. They feel more tippy than they are. Nice, hit this one more time for me. Bunch of dudes here today. You good?
This thing is so stupid sick. Am I good?
Yeah, you might want to back it, like turn it, yeah, back it one time. There you go. A little more. Okay, I can come forward now. I think you're good. That's badass.
Good?
Yeah, just go slow, you're good. It's a pretty good drop.
You still good?
You're good, yeah? Slow. Nice. Pretty sick. Try that one?
What?
You gonna try that one?
I don't think so.
Yeah, probably not that one. I wouldn't do it either. Don't worry.
I don't think so.
Yeah, that's that one's a little tough.
What do you think?
I think I would get a better angle. I'd back up, turn the wheel.
Fuck that, man. I'm doing it. This thing is so amazing.
Whoa. There you go. It's just, you just don't have the best vision out of your rig to know like where your tire is. That's my only complaint. It's very capable, but sometimes you can't tell like where it's at, you know, like in a truck you could kind of see your front wheel. So that's the only thing that that's a little tough on them. You're like a little kid, dude. You really are. You're hilarious.
It's badass. I mean, how can you have that much fun with go that fast?
Right, and then that's what I'm saying, dude. That's why the RC's so badass.
Back there with us. I mean, you got to come across there.